again, everybody, this is another episode from More Idea 5. This is another part of my Airsoft series. As you can see, I have a paper target taped up, and I'm about to shoot it with my, this is going to be really close, with one of my only Airsoft guns, the Stinger P311. Cheap Chinese crap from Walmart, but I can shoot pretty good with it from close range. Now, this is not too far away, but it is a small person, so it is pretty small compared to a real person. So right in the headshot. Forehead. That's it. Now, I don't think you can actually see the bullets, but yeah, that's kind of the examination. Now, I was using .12 gram BBs, and I did pretty well. I only missed him 4 times. And now, .12 gram BBs are really inaccurate. Since I don't have my main primary airsoft gun yet, I haven't bothered to buy .2 or .25 gram BBs. But that's what you need to buy. Do not buy the .12 gram BBs unless you're just doing like a backyard fight with your friends. Reasons are, they tear up your hop up. They are completely inaccurate. As you might notice, my shots were pretty far away from each other, and I was aiming for the head the whole time, mostly, and I was aiming for the chest in this area for most of it. When I get my airsoft gun, I'm gonna actually do more. I'm gonna do more of these. I printed this off of the internet. If you go to Google and look up airsoft targets, this is like a thug poster. $10. You can buy this for $10, but you can print it out for free. Well, besides the cost of ink and paper, but pretty cool. I mean, you can just get any target off of Google. They work pretty good, except this is a blown up version. This is 250% of the original, and yet it is pretty small. So I guess it's pretty good. And it's holding like a gun, but he has his arm down, not like he'd actually shoot it. He has it more as if he was shooting. It's actually called a thug poster, so it's just kind of, well, it's not really realistic. You can buy it life size. From the website I got this photo from, you can buy it life size for $10. Not really worth it. And if you want to use this rig, how I have it set up, it's kind of pretty simple. I mean, I just have that part tied and that part tied, so it's pretty easy. I mean, it's a good way to set up posters for target practice, but yeah. Kitsy cats. Now I'm going to actually try to knock it down this time, so I'm going to try to knock the post off. How am I going to do that? I'm going to shoot the kitty cat until it breaks or falls. Gotta pick up some ammo real quick, sorry. Okay. I have 3 chances to kill. I have 3 chances to take the thug down. So to fix this, Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's just aim for. Alright, now this time I'm gonna bring it all the way back here. This is about how far I was shooting. Yeah. So I'm gonna zoom in. Try to get myself in frame a little bit. Now you might not be able to tell the aimer. And that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, I didn't get too many good shots, but these are .12 gram BBs, so I can't say they're gonna be desperately accurate. But yeah, I mean, pretty good for suckish BBs. Or it will kill you. Man, I said I was gonna knock it down, so see ya.